Savelina Fannin, born May 29, 1984, is an Australian-American professional wrestler. She is signed to WWE, where she performs on the SmackDown brand under the ring name Nia Jax. Jax was given the nickname the Irresistible Force during her first run in WWE. She uses a Bonds eye drop named the Annihilator as a finisher. Fannin signed to WWE in early 2014 and was first assigned to the developmental brand NXT. She debuted in May 2015 under the ring name Zada, which was changed to Nia Jax in August that year. As part of the 2016 WWE Draft, she was promoted to the main roster. Fannin was released from her WWE contract in November 2021, but after a brief appearance at the Royal Rumble in January 2023, she re-signed with the company, making her return in September. Savelina Fannin was born in Sydney, Australia on May 29, 1984, and raised in Honolulu, Hawaii. She is of German and Samoan descent and is the second cousin once removed of Dwayne "The Rock" Johnson, as her father Joseph was Johnson's grandfather Peter Mavia's cousin. She later lived in San Diego, California, and attended Carlsbad High School. She attended Palomar College in San Marcos, California, where she played college basketball, and graduated from Cal State San Marcos with a marketing degree in 2005. Prior to professional wrestling, she worked as a plus-size model. Jax received increasing criticism over the years for reports of her being an unsafe worker. In November 2018, she accidentally punched Becky Lynch in the face during an episode of Raw and gave Lynch a broken nose, lacerated face, and concussion. In May 2020, Kairi Sane suffered a cut on her head during a match against Jax after Jax threw her onto the ringside steel steps. A similar incident occurred in September 2025 in a triple threat match against Tiffany Stratton and Jade Cargill, where Cargill was thrown into the metal stairs in the same manner. Wrestling promoter and manager Jim Cornette attributed incidents involving Jax to her size, often mockingly referring to her as Refrigerator Jax, and suggested that she can hurt people whether she knows it or not. While fellow professional wrestler Deonna Purrazzo stated that she had never walked away hurt after wrestling Jax. Personal life. On August 2, 2014, Fannin and her cousin Ata Mavia Johnson, the mother of Dwayne "The Rock" Johnson, were hospitalized after being hit head-on by a drunk driver in Claremont, Florida. The driver was subsequently charged with driving under the influence. For more interesting personalities, please do watch our other Who's Who series. Please like, share, and subscribe. Welcome to the amazing world of 1000 Vlogs.